Babysitting Josh because his parents begged me. Let's see where is baby Josh. Huh? He is not on his big back table. Josh, it's literally 2 a.m. And you are watching Coco Melon. Your mama told me to feed you and put you to sleep. Stay here, I'll get you your milk. Okay, finally got your food. Josh, stop with these games. Let's get out of here. Josh, you are such a big bat you couldn't even wait me to come upstairs. Finally changed your crusty diapers, let's go. Josh, I just blinked and you teleported with your demonic powers. Oh my gosh, finally time to chill. I swear if that's your Coco Melon toys. No way, you still haven't eaten enough. I think it's better if you eat yourself.